So we asked to find the given equation of the ellipse. So ellipse, they asked to find vertex, focus, everything. First, you can identify what type of ellipse. We have two types of ellipse: parallel to x-axis, parallel to y-axis. See the diameter value 164. In that greatest number value take as a square. So a square equal to 100. Then a equal to 10. B square equal to 64. Then b equal to 8. Then you have to find e value. E equal to square root of 1 minus of b square by a square. So square root of 1 minus of 64 by 100. If you cross multiply, become 100 minus 64 by 100. Then e equal to, it become 36 by 100. Then it become 6 by 10. And e equal to 6 by 10. Then we need AE also. AE equal to A is a 10, E is 6 by 10, then AE equal to 6. Then we need A by E also. So A by E, 10 by 6 by 10 equal to 100 by 6 equal to 50 by 3. Okay. So after finding this value, you can compare with the standard form of the ellipse. Now the help of the A value, x denominator has a greatest value when compared with the y denominator. So we come to conclusion the ellipse is parallel to the x-axis. So x-axis. So we can write the formula x minus h the whole square by a square plus y minus a the whole square by b square equal to 1. So take as a equation 2. Take as a equation 2. Now compare equation 1 and 2, we come to conclusion center C equal to. So center we take as a h comma k. So center equal to h comma k. So compare equation 2 and 1. Okay, simple idea. Here x minus h, here x plus 1. Actually, the x plus 1 we can write like that. X plus 1 we can write x minus of minus 1. We multiply become what? Plus 1. So it come, don't worry about here minus plus, simple. X after what is there? That is a h value. Here plus 1 is the right answer, minus 1. Here minus 2 is right over plus 2. If we the term write in the form of x minus h, x plus 1 we can write in the form of x minus of minus 1. Then leave x and minus, what is the h here? Minus 1. Here k is there, what is the k here? 2. So center is h equal to h comma k equal to minus 1 comma 2. Next you write the vertex. Vertex A equal to h plus a comma k. So center h comma k, vertex diagram parallel to the x-axis, h plus a comma k. So you know the h value is minus 1, a value is 10, k value is 2. Then finally we have 9 comma 2. A equal to 9 comma 2. Then a dash equal to h minus a comma k. So minus 1 minus 10 comma 2 become minus 11 comma 2 a dash. Then you want to write focus S1 equal to h plus ae comma k. So minus 1 plus 6, ae value is 6 we find. A equal to 6 comma 2 equal to 5 comma 2. Then S2 equal to h minus ae comma k. So minus 1 minus 6 comma 2 it become a minus 7 comma 2. Then you want to find the equation of directories. Equation of directories. X equal to h plus or minus a by e. Then x equal to minus 1 plus or minus a by e value is 50 by 3. So 50 by 3. If you want to write the two equations, separate equation of directories. So first you take this is a positive value, 50 by 3 is a positive. Then cross multiply minus 3 plus 50 by 3, x equal to 47 by 3. Suppose you take x equal to minus 1 minus 50 by 3. So what will you know? Minus 3 and minus 53 by 3. These are the two equations of the directories. So equation 1 is x equal to 47 by 3, equation 2 is minus 53 by 3. So with the help of this information, you draw the diagram. First you draw so x and y. What is center value? Center is we have minus 1 comma 2. So x value 1, approximately y value is 2. We give here center. C equal to minus 1 comma 2 lies in the second quadrant. Now go to the vertex A 9 comma 2. Vertex A or 9 comma 2. So x axis 9 centimeter, y axis 2. So approximately A 9 comma 2. Next A dash minus 11 comma 2. So x value 11, y value 2. So approximately we take what A dash. A dash minus 11 comma 2. S1 5 comma 2. So here approximately before the vertex A, S1 5 comma 2. S1 5 comma 2. S2 erase that. This is A dash minus 11 comma 2. S2 equal to minus 7 comma 2. So approximately S2 minus 7 comma 2. So through center you draw the vertical and horizontal line. So two vertices will join in line, the diagram becomes parallel to the x axis. Now x equal to direct is 47 by 3. So approximately will become what 12 point something will come. So vertex is what 9.2 only. So you can mark approximately. So first direct is x equal to 47 by 3. So one more direct minus 53 by 3. So 11 point something 11. So 11 point something here will come. Second direct is. So x equal to minus 53 by 3.